Hello everyone, welcome to ScorHigh. In our current affairs analysis series, today we'll be discussing the topic Immunocontraceptives for wildlife population management. So this was in news recently and we'll be discussing it in depth. It will be useful for your various competitive examinations, both for subjective as well as objective papers. So let's see what is the news. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has launched a project for undertaking immunocontraceptive measures for the population management of 4 species of wild animals, that is elephant, wild boar, monkey and blue bull, that is nilgai. So the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has launched the project for the population management of elephant, wild boar, monkey and blue bull, that is nilgai. So first from here the question arises, who is the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change? It is Mr. Prakash Javadekar. Now, the ministry has said that the project has been launched by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and for it the Finance Ministry has given its approval. And a protocol of immunocontraception will be developed by Wildlife Institute of India and the National Institute of Immunology. So they are like world-class institutes and they will be developing the protocol for immunocontraception. And the pilot project will begin in Uttarakhand and then it will be implemented in rest of the country. But there will be a hitch for using immunocontraception on elephants, that there will be a court injunction. Now, first the question arises, what is immunocontraception? Immunocontraception is a technology that uses female animals' immune system to build a protein around the egg that prevents it from fertilizing. First you need to understand what is the fertilization process. So in fertilization there is a union of egg and sperm and it occurs in the fallopian tube, and then the result of this union of the egg and sperm is a zygote cell or a fertilized zygote cell or a fertilized egg, and this initiates the prenatal development stage. Now in immunocontraception, what is the technology doing is that a protein is being built around the egg so that it doesn't fertilize, and this will help in population management. Now we have understood what is immunocontraception. So depending on the goal, whether one wants to completely cease reproduction in a population or want to delay reproduction so that the population growth rate comes down. So the amount of immunocontraception will depend on the goal that will be done, and the test will be to deliver the contraceptive and the logistics around it. Now, the birth control method, it has been tried in Africa in areas like the Kruger National Park, and the implementation of such a project in India will not be a simple task, as it will involve multidisciplinary effort over a long period of time. Now there have been various human-animal conflicts. So human-animal conflict has emerged as a major challenge in managing wildlife in the country, and because of this the government is resorting to immunocontraception, as human-animal conflict has risen as a major challenge in managing wildlife in the country. And human-elephant conflict, it causes the maximum number of casualties every year. The human-elephant conflict, it causes the maximum casualties every year. And according to the reply which was tabled in the parliament recently, nearly 494 persons were killed by elephants last year alone. And between 2014 and March 2018, 2,398 people died in elephant attack in the country, with West Bengal accounting for maximum number of such deaths. So all this becomes with these number of people dying, the government wants to resort to immunocontraception so that the increasing population of the animals can be managed. Now, this was all for this topic. For various other current affairs updates, you can visit our website www.scorhigh.com, or you can even follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram handle is score_high. So that's all for today. We'll be meeting again with a new topic. Thank you so much.